They aren't just freezing the hiring. They are deleting the humans. In January 2026, while you were distracted by the new year, the Indian IT sector quietly dropped a bomb. Tech hiring didn't recover. It crashed by 24%. TCS, the biggest employer in India, has slashed its workforce by over 30,000 people in just 2 quarters. Think about that. That's not a slowdown. That is a stadium full of people. Gone. Welcome to the kill zone. If you are holding an engineering degree, an MBA, or a safe corporate job, you are currently standing on a burning platform. The mass recruitment era is dead. The freshers are extinct. Today, I'm going to show you the math they are hiding from you. This video is not a warning. It is a survival guide. Watch until the 8-minute mark, or you will be the one they delete next. Truth number 1. The junior trap. For 20 years, the Indian economy ran on a simple deal. You learn Java, you get a job. It was a factory line. But in 2026, that factory has a new worker. It's not just about intelligence. It is about latency. A junior developer takes 4 hours to write, debug, and push a unit test. An AI agent does it in 4 seconds. And it doesn't ask for a salary hike. The data proves it. Entry-level hiring is flatlining. Why would Infosys or Wipro pay you 4 lakhs rupees a year to write basic boilerplate code, when Devon 3.0 can do it for a subscription fee of 1,500 rupees a month? The math is brutal. Truth number 2. The bench is now an ejector seat. In the old days, if you didn't have a project, you sat on the bench. You were safe. You still got paid. That safety net is gone. Today, the bench is just a departure lounge. If you are not billable for 30 days, you are not retrained. You are exited. They call it optimization. I call it what it is, a purge. Truth number 3. The 103,000 lie. You will see headlines, 103,000 active tech jobs in India. It sounds like a boom, right? Look closer at the description. These are jobs for you. They are ghost jobs. Or they are jobs for super seniors, the architects who build the AI systems. The demand for experts is up 12%. The demand for learners has crashed to 0. Your college professors won't tell you this. They need your fees. But the curriculum they are teaching you, manual testing, basic syntax, HTML, is already obsolete. You are studying for a world that ended 2 years ago. Truth number 4. The arbitrage is dead. This is the scariest part. India became a superpower because we were cheap. We sold labor for $20 an hour that cost $100 in the US. But AI is cheaper than Indian labor. An AI agent costs 10 cents an hour. The US companies don't need to outsource to Bangalore anymore. They can outsource to the cloud. Do you understand? The entire business model of the Indian IT sector is collapsing. Okay, you are scared. Good. Fear is the only thing that wakes you up. Now, let's talk about how you survive. The employee mindset is dead. You need to switch to the operator mindset. You don't compete with AI on doing. You compete on directing. Pause this video. Screenshot this. This is your curriculum for the next 6 months. This is ghost mode. Step 1. Master agent orchestration. Stop learning syntax. Start learning workflows. The highest paid skill in 2026 isn't Python. It is orchestration. Companies don't need code. They need outcomes. Learn tools like N8N, WealthWise, or Zapier. AI. Learn how to chain 5 AI agents together to automate an entire sales department. The guy who can replace 5 people with 1 workflow gets paid the salary of 5 people. Step 2. Human leverage. Sales and strategy. AI can write the email. AI cannot close the deal over dinner. As the technical barrier drops to 0, the social barrier becomes infinite. Learn persuasion. Learn negotiation. Learn to look a client in the eye and make them trust you. In a world of synthetic media, trust is the new Bitcoin. Step 3.
Go ghost mode. This is the hardest part. For the next 6 months, you need to disappear. Delete Instagram. Delete Netflix. Say no to the party. Pick one high-value niche. Maybe it's AI for real estate. Maybe it's automated finance systems. Build 3 projects. Real ones, not tutorials. Don't tell people what you are doing. Show them what you have done. The proof of work strategy. When you emerge from ghost mode, you don't send a resume. You send a portfolio. Send a CEO a video saying, "I saw your operations are slow. I built this AI agent that fixes it for free. Here is the link." You think they will ask for your degree. They will ask when you can start. The job massacre is real, but so is the opportunity. The middle class is a trap because it relies on being average. And average is over. You have 2 choices tonight. Option A, close this video, open Instagram, and go back to sleep. Option B, subscribe, go ghost mode, and become the one who builds the future, instead of the one who gets deleted by it. The clock is ticking. Make your move.